days can be worthy of those three fine letters written on your heart. Today we stand united as one to conquer all that you would have us to do in order to acquire that one true blue. Pride is the path that leads to many sororities, but narrow is the way that even the sake of violating sororities is operated. Here's my greeting. Big brothers, we love you. No other friends love you. We want you to know that we're here for you forever blue. Big brothers of Phi Beta Sigma fraternity incorporated. Let us fire brimstone. We greet you. Keepers of divine blue gates. Lords of the ever burning sand. Stepped on the uppers, kicked the cues. Okay, sorry.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, I'd like to bring to your attention, we have the Minister of State for Public Utilities, Mr. Fenton Nemore. He is our brother. And we also have Bradley here, who's a record holder. Come on, Bradley, come on. So we want you to know that we're strong, and this is the Blue and White family, ladies.
By the letters C,